Hey guys, I'm showing you this really nice kettle today for hot water or the tea. Comes in really nice gift box. This is the base or the hot plate for the kettle. This is the traditional contemporary kettle. It's a 100 watt or 110 watt like for the US switches. These are some the manuals or different ways to prepare your coffee and stuff. So this is the kettle, and you can see it's very nice metal kettle, insulated, and the handle is really nice. The shape is nice. Just the sprout, the traditional one, so that it will make a really good flow. The inside you can see is really like metal, rust free. And this is the heating mantle that goes on the top of this, the hot plate, and then you can use. So now I'm just setting it up with the electric plug, and you can see the light is still. That means there is no heating right now. When the light is solid, there is no heating. So let me put the water inside it. So I'm just trying to test. So I'm just putting some water, close the lid, putting on the hot plate. So as you can see, this is solid, so there's no heating right now. You need to press to make it flash. So is the programs button on the left hand side, that you can choose what type of coffee you want, or what type of thing you are doing to do with this button. And then once you press this is off, you press it, it's pause, and then you press it again as a flashing one to start the boiling. So as you see, this is flashing right now. I set it up on the coffee thing, so it's flashing, and if you see inside, the water is heating. It's very nice, powerful heating with the mantle. And I'm just putting the hot water in the cup, so you can see the flow is really nice and traditional flow. Very nice kettle.